Hello everyone, this is Amika Mahajan. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to study optics. We will concentrate on refraction. We will try to understand what do you mean by refraction, laws of refraction, or you can say Snell's law. Before going further, let's understand what is refraction. Actually, refraction is phenomenon of bending of light rays from original path while passing from one medium to another is known as refraction. Now let's understand from diagram. This is the interface. Interface is the surface separating two transparent media. Let it is here. Second medium is water. Now when the ray is incident from air to water, what happens? It is not following the same path. It is bending from its original path. This bending is known as refraction. You must have seen when you put pencil in a beaker half filled with water. When you see from outside, but you observe pencil gets bent. Why it is so? It is because of refraction. So it is actually bending of light rays from original path while moving from one transparent medium to another. Now, why it is so? Why refraction takes place? The reason is that speed of light is different in different media. It is maximum in air. As we move away from air to some other medium, speed goes on decreasing. Now, this is diagram showing refraction of ray of light when it is falling at interface separating two media. When we draw normal to this interface separating two media, and this ray which is falling at this point is known as incident ray, and the ray which goes into other medium after bending is known as refracted ray. So what is incident ray? The ray falling on interface separating two media is known as incident ray, and the ray passing to other medium after refraction or bending is known as refracted ray. Now, when we draw the normal at interface, when we measure the angle between this incident ray and this normal, that angle is angle of incidence, and angle between refracted ray and normal is angle of refraction. Glancing angle is the angle between this incident ray and interface. This is glancing angle. And this one is angle of deviation. What is angle of deviation? It is the angle between refracted ray and incident ray produced in second media. This is known as angle of deviation. So what is angle of incidence? Angle between incident ray and normal. Angle of refraction, angle between refracted ray and normal. Glancing angle, angle between incident ray and interface. And angle of deviation, angle between refracted ray and incident ray produced in second medium. So you have to keep in mind all these things to understand refraction. Now we will come to laws of refraction. Basically, what you are watching in this figure, that incident ray, this refracted ray, and this normal, they are lying in same plane. This is first point. Second point is that this angle of incidence, sine of angle of incidence and sine of angle of refraction, their ratio always remains constant. This law is also known as famous Snell's law. So what is Snell's law? The ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is always constant. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.